Everyone, welcome to the Free Time Gardening channel. I'm just going to do a quick video just as a reintroduction to my channel. I've been doing a lot of TikToks lately, some YouTube shorts, but I wanted to start these long form videos again. So if you've been following, you would know that the backyard started off pretty barren. We moved in about a year and a half ago, and we've been trying to build it back up with some more vegetation. And here you can see that I've been incorporating some trees. We have some cherry trees, 2 apple trees, a peach tree that just started, I put in before the winter. I'm starting to put some more figs in. The garden beds are in their 2nd year now, so hoping there's more production this time around. Fix the shed up. So as I go along this garden season, I'm planning to take you guys along to see how we're developing, how we're improving the space, and maybe have a lot of production this time around. You can see a lot of the winter bulbs are starting to emerge. So the weather's finally allowed me to come back out here and do some work and get things going again. Hoping to improve this tea garden. It was just a lot of bramble and weeds. You can see there's some leftover vegetation that was growing on the walls, so a lot of restoration in this backyard, but hopefully we can make it better and more lively with plants. All right, see you guys soon.